Oh, like I love the finish that it gives my face. It is so nice. Hiya, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Segen Misghina, and in today's video, I put together my everyday makeup look. I want to give a major shout out to the following person right over here for suggesting this video. I like to keep things very simple and basic as far as my makeup routine goes, so I put this video together for you guys. If you're interested to see how I got this finished look, continue watching. But before we get started, you already know I have to give a major shout out to the following people right over here. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. It really means a lot. If you guys want a shout out like them, all you have to do is click the notification bell, let me know that you're a new subscriber in the comment section down below, and I'll give you guys a shout out on my next upload. I upload on my channel every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, so if you guys want a shout out, just let me know down below. So before we get started with applying on the makeup, I listed everything I used from my moisturizer to my foundation to my mascara, all in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. And if you guys are interested in the earrings that I'm wearing and the top that I'm wearing, I listed that in the description box as well. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started with today's video. First and foremost, I gotta get started with my primer because it's essential. My god, I'm halfway through this primer. This is crazy. But anyways, I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I start on my T-zone because that's where I need like the most primer support, and then I kind of spread it out. And then whatever's left over, I like to bring up to my forehead. Now, I know I'm recording this, but this would typically take me like less than 10 minutes. Like I have to film an intro and an outro and I have to put some makeup on. This literally takes me less than 10 minutes to do. So next, I'm going to be applying on foundation. And honestly, guys, I don't get how I still have this foundation. Like I always think it's about to be done and there's still more left. So I think it has a lot to do with the way that it's packaged. Like the container is like, you get every kind of like every bit of the product, which is great. It reminds me of like toothpaste. Like, you know how when you're using toothpaste and you're just like, I need to like use every little bit. The Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation literally reminds me of a toothpaste. But anyway, I'm going to apply just a bit of foundation. Yeah. And I'm going to be taking my Morphe brush and I'm just going to blend that out around my face. Oh, and I'm in the color 385 in case you guys are curious. I'm like a huge advocate for Fenty Beauty. I absolutely love their foundation. I think out of all of their products, I would have to say their foundation and their gloss bomb are like my favorite products like ever. Okay, so this area is the one area I always forget, so make sure you blend out your jawline because it is not cute. Like I remember when I was first starting out with makeup, like there would just be like a clear line of division. Like it was so ugly. And like when I go to work, like somebody would be like, oh, let me just like rub that for you. I'm just like, don't touch my face, but also thank you. So just don't forget that. Next, after I've applied on foundation, I'm going to start on my concealer. So I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever concealer, the Matte Velvet Skin Concealer in 4.4. But guys, look at how empty this is. It's like, yeah, it's pretty empty. All these makeup TikTok hacks are like telling everybody to like do it in the inner corner and then on the outer corner. And I've been trying it for the past couple of days and it looks kind of cute, so I figured why not. And then for highlight, I like to use CoverGirl True Blend concealer as like my highlight color. I like to put that right in the middle. My dark circles lately, oh my god, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a lot. Like my dark circles are no joke. No joke. Okay, so next I'm just gonna take my brow setter by Benefit Cosmetics. You guys already know how much I love this product. I've been using it for years now, and lately I haven't haven't actually been drawing in my brows. I've been kind of like setting them and like leaving them like natural. That's pretty much what I do for my brows, I'm not gonna lie. I do draw them in if like the gel sets and there's like a huge gap that I don't like, then I'll draw them in. But for the most part, to be 100% honest with you guys, I just use that and I'm done. So next, I'm gonna blend out this concealer. Okay, so do you see that like harsh line? Yeah, you clearly can see it, but there's like a harsh line between like my eyelid and the concealer. So typically, because this is like an everyday makeup look, and let's be honest, if you guys have been following me for a while, I don't really put on eyeshadow. I like to take an eyeshadow brush and just blend that in and kind of leave my dark eyelids as like my natural eyeshadow, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to blend that out so it's not as harsh. So next thing I like to do is set underneath my eyes. I'm gonna be using a different powder today. I'm gonna be using the Dermablend Illuminating Banana Powder. I've been using this for the past couple days, and I used it in that video that you guys commented on. So I'm going to just get a brush, which I don't typically do again, but apparently you guys like it, so I figured why not show you guys. But I'm just going to make sure everything is all blended out at the end. And you guys already know I love my Laura Mercier translucent powder, but that powder is looking bleak, so I kind of want to use some other stuff that I got. So I'm just going to dust off the excess and then just set under my eyes. A little bit on my forehead because my forehead gets pretty shiny. The next thing I'm going to do is take my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray and then just set my face. Oh my god, is this almost done too? I just got this. So I'm gonna let my face kind of set in, do its thing. And honestly guys, the last thing I do is mascara, blush, and bronzer, and I'm done. That's pretty much my everyday makeup. So this is a new product that I've been using in my like makeup regimen, and it's the Sephora Micro Smooth powder. So I like to take my beauty blender, take a little bit of that. It is light. This is in the color tan. However, I like to apply it underneath my eyes. That way it doesn't crease. So I like to do that wherever like I pretty much have highlighted and concealed. So just right underneath my eye, sometimes right below my nose, my chin, and my forehead. So this is something new that I haven't actually showed you guys that I've been doing for the past couple weeks. And I've been really liking it lately, so I want to show you guys this product. Oh, like I love the finish that it gives my face. It is so nice. And a makeup artist actually gave me this tip. Like say for instance, like throughout the day especially, and especially when I'm filming, like my laugh lines, like when I'm smiling and stuff like that, like they're just like out here and poking like nobody's business. So if I want to kind of like blend that out, I just take this product and put it around my laugh lines. I love it. I love it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to be doing is blush. You guys already know I'm obsessed with this blush. If you guys have been watching the vlogs from like the summertime and stuff like that, I was like obsessed with finding an orange blush for some reason. Like I just wanted something orange. I don't know, I just felt like orange against brown skin looks stunning. So I finally found a blush that is like literally what I was looking for, and it's called Coral Cove, and it's literally exactly what it is. It's like a nice coral color, like there's hints of orange and pink in it, and it's by Milani Cosmetics. So if you guys are interested, I'll link all these products in the description box below, so don't worry about it. But I'm going to be applying it on my face. I absolutely am so obsessed with this blush. It is super cute. I don't know, it just makes me feel really pretty and I like it. Oh my god, I love it, I love it, I love it. Every time I apply on blush, like a little bit of blush on my nose, I'm just like, oh, Segen, why'd you do that? But then it's like, no, it's cute. I like it. And honestly, it wears off, so it's not that big of a deal. But the next thing I'm going to be doing is applying on some bronzer. And the bronzer that I use for my everyday makeup is by Fenty Beauty. Honestly, I don't know what it is with Fenty Beauty, but their products last for a really, really long time. Like, I can tell you guys, I use this every day and I haven't hit pan. Like, it makes no sense. Anyway, I'm just gonna apply some bronzer. Anytime I feel like I've applied way too much blush, which happens often, I just kind of go over it with a bit of bronzer and I'm good to go. So the last thing I'm going to apply is my mascara before we do the lips, which is going to be like super simple. It's just a simple gloss, but you guys already know I'm a huge advocate for the Benefit Cosmetics Bad Girl Bang mascara. You guys already know how much I am obsessed with this mascara. Every time you guys comment on my lashes, especially on my Instagram, it's always like, okay, where'd you get your lashes or what mascara are you using? And it's literally the exact same mascara. I've been using this for, I want to say well over a year now, like consistently. So this mascara is amazing. So I'm going to apply this on real quick. Okay, and that's my mascara. So our next and final step for my everyday makeup look is some lip gloss. So I'm just gonna remove anything that got caught on my lips, like any foundation or whatever. So my go-to lip product for the past few months have been, actually wait, since I got it, so I want to say since the summertime, has been the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm. I got it in berry, but they have a bunch of other like options. Oh, it's so good. It is so, so good. All right, everybody, so this is the final look. I just put on some earrings and just a nicer top to end off this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up. I want to give a major shout out to the subscriber that requested for this video. Shout out to you and thank you so much for commenting. If you guys want a shout out, all you have to do is click the notification bell. Let me know that you're new to my channel in the comment section down below and I'll give you a shout out on my next video. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys on my next upload. Bye!